Have you ever wished you could give your images a complete makeover in seconds? With Flux AI, it's not just possible, it's easy. In this video, I'll walk you through creating captivating AI-powered images that will blow your mind. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Access Flux AI. Begin by visiting the Flux AI website. Create a free account or log in if you already have one. Once inside, locate the image-to-image generator feature on the dashboard. It's the heart of this tutorial. Step 2. Upload your base image. Click the upload button and choose your base image. This is the starting point that the AI will transform. Select a clear, high-resolution image for the best results. Step 3. Choose a style or theme. Flux AI offers a wide array of styles and themes, ranging from artistic to hyper-realistic. Pick a style that matches your vision, whether it's watercolor, oil painting, or a futuristic look. Step 4. Customize settings. Adjust the settings to fine-tune your image transformation. You can modify the intensity of the effect, adjust colors, and even control the level of detail. Play around to see how each tweak changes the output. Step 5. Generate your image. Hit the Generate button, and Flux AI will work its magic. In seconds, your transformed image will appear on the screen. Marvel at how effortlessly the AI has enhanced your original image. Step 6. Review and refine. Not satisfied with the first result? No worries. Use the editing tools to refine your image further until it meets your expectations. Step 7. Download and share. Once you're happy with the result, click download to save your image. Share your masterpiece with the world on social media. Add it to your projects or print it out for display. Flux AI makes it simple and fun to turn ordinary images into extraordinary works of art. Try it today and unleash your creativity. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching.